Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be discussing to you guys on basically when it is possible you can upgrade your level 10 hobbies to level 11 in Heartopia. So it's going to take a while. As you can see, I reached DG level 43, and when you reach level 50, you don't actually get the upgrade tickets soon, like the premium one. You actually get it once you've reached DG member level 51, which is still a miles away. To reach level 51, you'll need 500 medals, and you get 50 per day. So I don't know how long that's gonna take. Maybe they need time to spawn, create new creatures for the fishing hobby and the insect catching hobby and the bird watching hobby as well. Um, so it's gonna take me personally, I think I counted it 43.2 days to reach level 51. So I will see you in 2 months, hopefully, and I'll be able to upgrade my hobbies to level 11 and see which hobby I upgrade first. I do know, in the gardening hobby, there might be the cocoa plant that we can actually use to finally cook the um let me see, the chocolate spread, I think. So if you go to collection and then you go to gourmet life, you'll see there's a chocolate sauce that I haven't opened yet, and that's because we actually need to reach level 13 of gardening to unlock the cocoa. But yeah, I hope I get there soon, and I hope I don't need 500 medals to unlock the hobby. But well, to unlock the level. But yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.